Freshly Picked is here to help you through the holiday season with some handy tips on how to wrap gifts. To start off, don't skimp on paper. Make sure to buy thicker paper because it's less likely to rip. If it has grid lines on the inside, that's a nice bonus for lining things up and cutting straight. We'll start off by going over how to wrap a box normally. We're going to use a Freshly Picked sneaker box. If you're using the usual wrapping method, we recommend elevating your gift presentation by using double-sided tape. If you use it on the insides of the seams, everything looks a bit more professional since no tape is visible. We also recommend creasing corners and edges as you go so all the lines are straight and the paper is tight around the box. With a patterned wrapping paper, a baker's twine is a really cute addition. If you don't have enough paper left on your roll, or you just want to save more paper as you go, we recommend the diagonal wrapping method. Start off by placing the box right in the center of the paper at an angle. You should be able to pull up the corners around the edges and have the whole box covered. Pull up one corner and tape it down so it's secure. Now pull up a side corner and use an origami style fold to make it flush along the side edge. Tape it on top and repeat with the opposite corner. Create creases on the insides to make folding the sides easier. For the last corner, crease the edges in a similar way so you can pull it up and the paper is flush. Tape it and feel free to add a bow. If you don't have any bows handy, you can create one with a small piece of wrapping paper. Fold the paper in half long ways and then again hamburger style. Cut strips from the open edge up to about 1/4 inch away from the folded edge. Open it all back up and then curl the fringe with scissors. Lastly, fold it back up long ways and use a piece of double-sided tape to attach it to your box. If you have an abnormally shaped item or something that isn't in a box, you can create a custom-sized gift bag with wrapping paper. We'll show you how to wrap these cute mocks this way. Start by cutting off enough wrapping paper to wrap them in the normal way. Fold in the sides of the paper and tape them together in the center all the way up the seam. At the bottom, fold the paper up about 1/4 of the way. Open up that edge and then fold the sides in to create triangle shapes. Fold the points of the triangles into the middle and tape the paper together. Feel free to reinforce with a good amount of tape. This will turn into the bottom flap of the gift bag. Open it from the opposite end, place your mocks inside, and fold the top edge over. To make it extra cute, use a hole punch to make 2 holes through the top edge and tie a ribbon or string through it. You can also use the gift bag method to wrap larger items like a mini classic diaper bag. If you're gifting some mocks and want to keep things simple, you can attach a homemade bow to the included dust bag. To make one, grab a scrap of wrapping paper and fold it in half inside out. Draw an eye shape with a bridge to connect it to the folded edge. Cut out the shape, unfold it, and then flip it over. Fold each of the sides into the middle and attach with tape. Cut another thin strip of wrapping paper and use it to cover the middle of the bow. Then tape it to your dust bag. We hope these tips were helpful. Have fun wrapping all of your freshly picked gifts this holiday season.